Racing just is started with accuracy. Break quickly at the start. Green Street moving up on the inside is Sugar Mike. Then comes Perhaps Love down on the inside is Happy Hour. King Bearheart then next online. Now is number 8 Shuttler's Treasure moving up on the outside is Strong Boy. Angie Red second last while Mr. J is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Sugar Mike by about 5 lengths, and in second is Green Street. Then next online is Perhaps Love. Moving up now on the outside is Strong Boy. Down on the inside is King Bearheart. Happy Hour alongside Accuracy, Shuttler's Treasure. Then next online is Angie Red, while Mr. J is still running at the tail of the field. Inside the 3 Octavo, we have Sugar Mike. Now by about 8 lengths. Perhaps Love in second. Green Street moving upon the outside is Strong Boy. King Bearheart comes next. Then down on the inside is Accuracy moving up. Shuttler's Treasure, Happy Hour, Mr. J. While Angie Red now running at the tail of the field. And as they swing for home, Sugar Mike by only a length. Moving up now on the outside is Perhaps Love. With about 100 meters of the race, Sugar Mike, Perhaps Love is on the outside. Sugar Mike, Perhaps Love now takes command. And finally, it's going to be Perhaps Love. The second is Sugar Mike. Mr. J close with Strong Boy. Then comes Shuttler's Treasure and King Bearheart.
10-7-1, 3-8-5.